In this video, I will show you one of the best sticker apps that you can use to add more stickers to WhatsApp. First, open Play Store or App Store and search for sticker.ly. Go ahead and locate this application. Now tap on the install option and install this app to your device. After that, tap on the open option. Now you will have to sign in. For that, tap on the get started option. Now tap on continue. Now log in using your Facebook ID or Google. After signing in, you will see a large collection of sticker packs. Browse through categories like trending or use the search bar to find stickers that you're interested in. Then select a sticker pack that you like. Some sticker packs are free while others may require a subscription or purchase. For a free sticker pack, tap on Add to WhatsApp option. You may need to watch a short advertisement before the sticker are added. Once the process is complete, confirm the prompt to add the sticker to WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp. Then start a conversation. Tap on the sticker icon and here you should be able to find the newly added stickers. You can repeat these steps anytime to add more sticker packs from the app. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.